Hello guys, welcome to my channel today, and here's some things about the new Mitsubishi Mirage. Right here, right now, it has a good design, everything, the windshield, the lights. Look at these good Delta designs and the logo on the front. What's cool about it, currently, look at this rim and the tail lights, the back windshield right here. As you can see, look at these doors. Oh! Look at this design right here, the fan and everything. Yes. What's good about it is, so there's lots of space on the back here. Yep. This is all Mitsubishi's good designs. Right here, the good door handles, the mirror, the lights here, and in the front. It's good. Right now. And that's all for today. Bye.